Today,
Hello, today we are looking at the Vtech Play and Learn
aeroplane.
aeroplane. It's white and it has a little string so you can pull it around. Oh, the wheels need oiling. You'd be a bit nervous on this aeroplane. Not that anybody can remember what that's like these days. And then there we go. We've got a light at the front, nice friendly face. The propellers turn-ish. Again, not the plane I would choose. And then we've got numbers down the side.
1, 2, 3.
And we've also got colours. Orange,
Hooray! The dog,
green,
the cat
yellow.
is on board.
And animals, chick, dog and cat.
1, 2. The cat loves to explore.
Oh, the cat loves to explore. We know that because she's nosying out of the window, thinking that she owns the place. And there's the friendly dog next door, just waiting for his owner to come back. Doesn't realise we've been putting the plane all on his own. So there we go, guys. A little button on the top for different noises and irritating songs. And volume
Press
control,
button,
which is neither use nor
Press
ornament.
press that one.
This one? Oh, well done, Harry. So the light at the front is also a button.
Travelling with you. Away we go, go, go.
Go, go, go.
Everyone on board.
Bye.
Bye.